Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about very interesting and important topic in electronics is diode clippers and clampers. These circuits may look simple, but they play a major role in shaping electrical signals, protecting devices and improving communication systems. Let us explore how they work and why they matter. Introduction about clippers. In many electronic applications, we deal with the signals of different shapes and amplitudes. Sometimes a signal becomes too large and may damage a device. Sometimes we need to shift a signal up or down to match this input range of another circuit. To achieve all this in a simple and reliable way, we use diodes. Two of the most common diode based circuits are clippers and clampers. Clipper. What are they? A clipper circuit is a diode circuit that clips or cuts off a portion of the input signal without distorting the remaining part. Think of it like trimming the top or bottom of a waveform to prevent it from going beyond a certain level. Why do we need clippers? Clippers are used to protect electronic components from high voltage, to remove unwanted portions of a signal, to shape the waveform for digital circuits, in communication systems to prevent overmodulation. Three types of clippers are there. First one positive clipper, second one negative clipper, third one biased clipper. Positive clipper clips the positive half of the signal. The diode conducts during the positive half cycles and blocks it. Negative clipper clips the negative half of the signal, works opposite to the positive clipper. Biased clipper, here we add a battery to shift the clipping level. Instead of clipping at 0 volt, we can choose to clip at any desired voltage. Real life examples: production circuits in power supplies, mobile chargers, radio receivers to limit amplitude, digital circuits where only a certain voltage range is allowed. Next one, clampers. What are they? A clamper circuit shifts the entire signal up or down without changing its shape. Why do we need clampers? Clampers are used when we need to restore the DC level of a desired distorted signal. We shift signals for communication purposes. We need waveform alignment in TVs and oscilloscopes. We convert AC signals into forms usable by electronic matters. And types of clampers. Three types of clampers are there: positive clamper, negative clamper, biased clamper. Positive clamper shift the signal upward, so the entire waveform moves into the positive region. Negative clamper shifts the signal downward, the entire waveforms move into the negative region. Biased clamper, a battery is added to shift the waveform by a specific amount. How does a clamper work? A clamper uses a diode or a capacitor or a resistor. The capacitor charges during one half cycle and holds that charge, shifting the entire waveform in the next cycle. This is why clampers are sometimes called DC restorers. Difference between clippers and clampers. Clippers and clampers cut off part of the waveform. Clampers shift the entire waveform. Clippers used for production and shaping. Clampers used for level shifting. Clippers use diodes, sometimes battery. Clampers use diode, resistor, and capacitor. Clippers removes portion above or below the level. Clampers adds a DC level to the signal. Applications in real world. Clippers used in voltage protection circuits, limiting the amplitude of signals, noise removal, preventing distortion in communication systems, clampers used in TV receivers to restore DC level, oscilloscope synchronization, and signal shifting in communication systems. Why are diode clippers and clampers important for students? Understanding these circuits helps in strengthening the basics of electronic design, learning signal processing techniques, designing safe and reliable circuits, building communication and network systems. These circuits form the foundation for advanced subjects like analog communications, digital circuits, signal processing, VLSI, and embedded systems. To conclude, diode clippers and clampers are fundamental yet powerful tools in electronics. Clippers help us limit voltages, ensuring safety and precision, while clampers help us shift signals to the required level without changing their shape. They are used extensively in communication devices, televisions, power circuits, and countless electronic systems. Understanding them not only strengthens our theoretical knowledge but also improves our practical circuit design skills. Thank you for listening. I hope this session gave your gave you a clear understanding of how diode clippers and clampers work and why they are so essential in electronics. Thank you.